AI expert Dr. Roman Yampolskiy just revealed which jobs will actually survive the R revolution by 2030. And spoiler alert, it's probably not what you think. Let's break down his predictions. Dr. Roman Yampolskiy is a leading eye safety researcher and director of the Cybersecurity Lab at University of Louisville. He spent years studying eye risks and what happens when eye gets smarter. His insights on job automation aren't pessimistic, they're realistic. He understands both the technology and human society better than most. According to Yampolskiy, jobs requiring emotional intelligence, creativity, complex problem solving, and human judgment will survive. These include therapists and counselors, creative professionals like designers and writers, skilled tradespeople, eye safety specialists, and decision makers in leadership. Eye can process data fast, but it struggles with genuine human connection and original thinking that these roles demand. Routine jobs with predictable patterns, data entry, basic customer service, simple coding will vanish first. AI excels at repetitive tasks, but here's the key insight. It's not just about capability. It's about cost effectiveness. Companies will automate wherever AI is cheaper and faster. Millions of traditional jobs could shift within just 7 years. Start developing skills AI can't easily replicate. Learn critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and creative problem solving. Consider upskilling in AI-adjacent fields or becoming an ISAD expert your self-demand will skyrocket. The future isn't hopeless. It just requires adaptation. Those who prepare now will thrive. Well, if this video helped you understand AI's impact on jobs, please like and subscribe for more insights. Comment below, which job do you think will surprise people by surviving AA?